Hello and welcome back to my world of food. Today it's Friday and it's fish and chip day. So today I'm going to show you a recipe with plaice. Plaice is a flatfish, very soft, very mild in texture. Ideal for children, ideal for anyone who doesn't like a strong fishy taste. What's the recipe? I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. And so we start off with nice plaice, nice and fresh. Just bought today, came in today to the fish counter and should be very nice. Now it's a very mild fish. Plaice has a dark side on the top, a light side on the bottom. The dark side's normally a little bit thicker than the light side, but not everyone likes the dark skin. So the white skin ones is the one we've picked today. Start off with a beaten egg. Then to the egg we add a little bit of salt and then a little bit of pepper. We mix this in. Some golden breadcrumbs and put them on a plate. And then just to give it a little bit of a kick, we then add a few chili flakes. Now we take our plaice and we dip it in our egg mixture and then put it in the breadcrumbs. And when that's done, it's all ready to fry. And so we heat the oil in the cooking pan and then get the fish and pop it in. Pop it in again and off we go. And so when it starts cooking, we need about 2 to 3 minutes each side. So we'll come back when it started cooking. So now we've got that lovely sizzling, which indicates that it's starting to cook. So we've got 2 minutes now on this side, and then we'll turn them over. They should be lovely and cooked. Now the skin side's cooked, so we'll just turn it over and now we'll finish it off at the other side. So about 2 minutes is all we need and then that'll be ready. The chips are soon ready as well and we'll come back when it's cooked. And now we're all finished, chips are ready. Fish and chips Friday night, and that only took a few minutes to do. It's lovely for all the family because the kids are going to eat the fish. Plaice is so mild. Adults just season it up a little bit more and it still has a lovely flavour. So hope you enjoyed that recipe. Please like and please subscribe so that we can make more films like this if you enjoyed it. Thank you.